Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Weather and News widget on your Windows 10 taskbar. It's super easy and adds quick access to weather updates and trending news right at the bottom of your screen. Let's get started. First, go to an empty space on your taskbar and right-click. This will open a menu with several options. Next, look for the option called News and Interests. This is where you can customize how the widget appears. Now you have three options to choose from: Show Icon and Text. This shows the weather and news updates with text on the taskbar. Show Icon Only. This keeps it minimal with just the icon. Or if you don't want it, you can select Turn Off. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the Weather and News widget on your taskbar. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.